County in
warning.
southwestern Pennsylvania, central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m.
No.
At 7:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, McMurray, Canonsburg, Gastonville, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Whitehall, South Park Township, Cecil Bishop, Jefferson Hills, Brentwood, Castle Shannon, Pleasant Hills, Bridgettville, McDonald, Sturgeon, Noblesstown, and Oakdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Heavily terrain to low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
Oh god, they extended it! They extended it!
Flash flood warning for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., public reports indicate flooding in Castle Shannon and Whitehall, as well as numerous roadways across the region. Warning has been extended to allow more time for water to recede. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, public reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Monroeville, Greensburg, McKeesport, Jeanette, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Murraysville, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, South Park Township, Munhall, Jefferson Hills, North Versailles, Brentwood, Swissvale, and Castle Shannon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in